Hey YouTube, Consulting Joe here with another video, and we're gonna go over ChatGPT Plus today. So in the last video, we went over signing up for ChatGPT Plus. It is $20 a month, at least here in the US right now. And once you sign up, you will see this plus indicator, but you'll also see a drop down for model selection. So you get the current model, which is optimized for speed and currently available to Plus users. And we are presented with the legacy model, which was the previous. So we're going to go over these two and we're going to test the differences. So using the first one, let's ask ChatGPT to write a poem about computers and how they work. Alright, so I did this earlier, and this is a whole new poem altogether. So it's great that you can just regenerate poems or anything, and it will give it a new, what's called a seed, and give you kind of some possibly different results each time. So this is quite a poem. So if we were to take this same thing, and then we go to a new chat, and we go to the legacy model, and we test that here too, we're given this one. Maybe this one's a hair simpler, let's say, but it's hard to say. I would say future is always going to be a better model, but it's different. So if maybe you're not getting the same results, previous model, maybe you were getting better results. So let's try a different example. So if we go back to the default model, we can ask it, write a Python program that takes an image and flips it upside down and inverts the colors. So if we do that, we get a response right away. There's no waiting at all. And we're presented a program with Python. It's using the Pillow library to manipulate images. And it's going to explain how it did it. It's commenting and doing all the work for us. So we're going to compare this. So if we take this same thing, going back and switching to the legacy model, and we run that, we're given a very different program using pretty much same program, but done a completely different way using computer vision library. It also created a function this time and then called that function. So very, very different between the legacy and the current model, but very nice to have the option for both. So for $20 a month, you have priority access, even during high demand. It's super fast, and you have access to switch between two different models. So pretty powerful stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Feel free to check out some of my other cool videos where we do some other AI programming, all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.